Here you see the nice big living room with a TV and two couches and a chair and two chairs and a little footstool of sorts. Kitchen table, really nice big kitchen table. Some kind of a notebook. I don't know what it is, but beach house. The door there, I don't know what it's for. A microwave. 4-slice toaster. Then a little toaster oven, kind of looks like, or a microwave. This thing's got to be a microwave. Sink, counters. No, it looks like a coffee maker. All right. Nice big fridge. A few little odds and ends in there. Nice big freezer with a few things there too. Ice. Nice big rooms in here. There's the washroom. Another bedroom with a big double bed in it. And looks like we got some books over here. Something. Yep, that's what those are, books. Got another room with 2 beds here. And finally, the latrine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Take a look over here. A couple of remotes, and this is the TV.